Testifying in court today, Prince Harry said the press has blood on its hands. He gave evidence against a tabloid publisher who he accuses of phone hacking and other unlawful activities to gain insider information. Today's court proceedings makes Harry the first senior royal in a witness box in more than a century. Prince Harry, the fifth in line to the throne, briefly smiled as he passed waiting photographers and camera crews when he arrived at the Modern Rolls building in central London this morning, ahead of the very rare court appearance by a royal, a moment that will go down in royal history.
It's extraordinary. I mean, it might get more extraordinary as the minutes and hours go by, but it's something that most senior members of the royal family have strived to get nowhere near for a long time, because you immediately lose control over the situation.
He's among dozens of high-profile figures suing the Mirror Group newspapers, claiming they were subject to phone hacking and other illicit means of obtaining private information. The younger son of King Charles III entered the witness box to face hours of cross-examination from the newspaper's lawyer, Andrew Green. Over 33 newspaper articles Harry said were based on information which had been unlawfully gathered. Green began by personally apologizing to Harry on his client's behalf over one instance in which it admitted unlawful information gathering. "It should have never happened, and it will not happen again," he said. In questioning, Harry was asked about a passage in his written witness statement in which he referred to appalling behavior by the British press. "How much more blood will stain their typing fingers before someone can put a stop to this madness," he wrote. Harry said some of the editors and journalists are responsible for causing a lot of pain, upset, and in some cases, perhaps inadvertently, death. The invasive articles began when Harry was just a child, the prince said, remembering how his mother, Princess Diana, was often a target in the press. The publisher also argues that some of the personal information involved had come from senior royal aides, including from one of his father's former top officials, a contentious topic that Harry has spoken publicly about before.
To see this institutional gaslighting.
I wasn't being thrown to the wolves, I was being fed to the wolves.
The prince is the first senior British royal to give evidence in 130 years.